Well, I just got done installing the new mufflers I got from Borla, so I'm about to start it up now. Hopefully it's aimed properly. I had to dumb my mufflers down, so bear with me. Better. Sounds a lot better. So basically, I had to dumb down my exhaust from the attack to the S because they were way too loud. And I blew out my my mufflers at the racetrack. I didn't know you could blow out mufflers like that, but I'll show y'all. Yep. There you go. So, as you can see, blew that shit right out. Completely gone. This one too. Both sides gone. Blew them right out the back. And one of them is actually kind of vicious. It's this one right here. Got another hole right there on the bottom. Blew them all out at the racetrack. I didn't know they had a certain power rating. After that power rating, yeah, they can't handle no more. So I decided to go a bit quieter. As you can hear, sounds pretty good, not too loud until I accelerate. That's all that matters. I'm gonna turn it up one more time so y'all can hear it. Then I'm out of here. So yeah, you don't necessarily have to go complete attack to get that sound once you do the headers. You guys have a great night. Time to bounce.